Hey, man, what we're going to do here, I'm going to show you a little quick tip on how to, if you had a question if this was bad or you didn't want to take the floorboard apart to make sure, I'm going to show you how to test an ITS out the car. The first thing you have to do, the first thing you have to do is take some paper clips, Dollar General brand, Food Line, whatever you got. Stick them inside the black and white wire, which is the ITS. Other paper clip is missing in action. Do you see paper clip anywhere? Bobby has 4 of them.
Here.
All right, so what we're going to do is stick one inside the black wire, and the other one we're going to stick inside the white wire. And then we're going to take a socket, 3/8 socket. I'll sell them if you want them, $29.99 a piece, or you can go inside your toolbox and get one for free. But it don't matter any socket, man, you want to put in there as long as it fits through the diameter of the ITS. All right, so I got one there, one like that. And then what we're going to do, Bob, you got to be down here, buddy. Back up a little bit, Jason. All right, so we're going to put one and one. It doesn't matter if you put one on the black wire, which way you put them. You can't hook them up backwards to the ITS. So I got one there. Then we're going to tie the other one here. A long time ago, man, I used to keep like that. There's I used to keep this set up. If you wanted to troubleshoot one of them, I would keep like it set up on my toolbox, and we do it like that. So right there, we have it like that. And then you're gonna have to hit the gas. And at the time you hit the gas, you put the socket through the ITS. And if the cart runs, you know the ITS is bad. Or if it speeds up, slow faster than what it did, you know the ITS is bad. All right, Jason, hit the gas, engage. So you got to hit the gas, engage the solenoid, in forward key on, worry about it. And that right there is how you do, you showing this? Mm-hmm. All right, that's how you do to engage the speed. You take it and just put a socket in there. That's what causes the cart to run. That's how you can actually make your own ITS. Now, this car don't run here because the controller is bad. But that's how you could actually test the ITS. Do it again. Put a socket in there, Bobby. Alright, simple as that, man. Keep it on your toolbox. You want to plug it in. Black and white. Back it out some. I'll hit it again. Alright, that's how you test it, man. Stay tuned, man. We'll post some more tips.